This is a short video on how to change a screenshot. So when you typically use this application, you'll find that when you do a screenshot, say of a screen like this, that it will create a file name like that, screenshot 26, and you can't change it. So we'll just save that and close that, and then we'll bring it up. So that's the screenshot of what we took, which is just there. But what Ammenster can do is it can rename the screenshot for you automatically and reformat it into the date time format correctly. So if you drag and drop it to that button there, you'll see that it renames it after we do a refresh. Just renames it correctly. Now I'll just change screens because it's not working very well, screen recording. So I'll do it again. So here are our files, and one of the features I've got is in the application is to be able to take a screenshot or something with weird dates, put it into the date time rename, and it puts it into the correct format. I'll just refresh it and you can see it's in the correct format. So if you're doing a lot of screenshots, like you're watching a video or tutorial or something like that, and you're taking screenshots and you're saving them, this allows you to relabel the date and time that you took the screenshot so it accurately reflects the time. So when you go later into sorting these things into a folder, for example our example folder, you'll be able to, like if we drop that in there as an example, and that one as an example, right, you'll see that if we F5 that it puts it in order, and therefore we can label it. For example, you can do a view preview panel and you can see what that is, but it gives you the historical context, and this is how you build up the files when you're learning something. Now we'll be doing that as an exercise later on, and hopefully you'll get what I mean with labeling stuff. So I'll just close that. So this extensive area through here and through here, these areas are for relabeling, and even these ones here, most of them are for relabeling files. And there's a lot of, if you click on the application like on the side somewhere and you just hover over it, I can. It's just being a pain at the moment. This is one of Windows. It will tell you what each button is for. Now, one of the things, if you haven't picked up, is there are little blue bars underneath. The blue bars are clicks that are on the bottom, and the bars on top are drops. So when you look at a button, you can see that that only has a drop functionality. It doesn't have a click functionality. That has a drop functionality, right? So they're all drop functionalities. That has 3 drop functionalities, and it says place the text. So the left mouse button is place the text box as a prefix on the file name, folder name, and replaces the folder with the context of the text box, etc. So they're all your renamers. But for the moment, I just wanted you to see this renamer here, which works with a standard rename. Simply drop files here, current systems, MS Snip and Sketch tool, MS Screenshot tool, Adobe Screenshot tool, month, day, year, at time, e.g. explanation. I've got it, and then it says works with Microsoft Screenshots. Sorry about that. Microsoft Visual Studios, dates, Adobe screenshots, and a shampoo format as long as they have dates in either long or short format at a time. So that's how date time screenshots are renamed.